In the previous video, we talked about select command and the options that come with it and how we can use those options to customize our search between records inside a MySQL table. In this video, we'll be talking about two operators that we can add to our search query so we can customize it even more. One of the operators is and the other one is or. Let's see how we can use these two operators in our search query. Currently, I'm logged into the MySQL server and I want to use the MySQL_tutorials database and do a show tables to see all tables inside it. We have a students table here with some records in it. Let's take a look at all records stored in this table, doing select all from students. And we have 8 records here with some first names, last names, and scores. Let's say that we want to search between these students and find out those who have a letter in their first name and they have scores more than 7. To use AND operator in such a search, we can type select all from students where first name like percentage and the score is above 7, and this will return all students with score more than 7 that have a somewhere in their first name. Now let's work on the OR operator example. Let's say that we are looking for students who have either A in their first name or the letter C in their last names. This way we can use select all from students where first name like percentage or last name like %C %. This way only the users with A in their first name or C in their last name will be returned. As expected, all these records have either A in their first name or C in their last names. And this is how we can use the AND and OR operators in our select query and customize the search even more.